on, everybody? Brian back here with a look at Caspa. We're going to take this chart, break this down a little bit, and see what's going on here for Caspa and for the rest of the market, actually. All right, so first off, I want to show you guys. We go out, let's go on a daily on this thing. All right, you like the new chart? You like the white or the dark better? You know, kind of curious because we'll see here. White is kind of interesting. You know, gives a brighter view on it, but we'll see. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. All right, we had this first move up here. We take a fib on this thing, and I'm going to do a video when I'm done here for bull run price targets for the top 10 cryptocurrencies. All right, so if you want to check that out, I'd appreciate that. But all the top 10 cryptos, I will be giving a bull run price target for them. Gonna try to make it a pretty cool video. So if you want to go check it out, see what you have option wise, you know what I mean. See how, 10x, 8x, 20x, see what kind of money's left on the board for those. All right, we're just starting this run, obviously. All right, now, first off, let's take here. Let's go back on this weekly. Makes it a little bit easier. We had this first run up here for Caspa. Okay, we take the fib right off of the first run, the bottom down to the top down to the bottom. You can see here that was a perfect right about there, we'll call it there. All right, 4.236 extension on this thing. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth wave up here on here. All right, so this one worked out perfect. This is from here over is completely done. All right, now what happened in here was we started a new run up here. All right, then we ended up getting looks like an ABC correction in here. Let's go in on a daily. There we go. That's better. And now you can see a trend line down here starting at the bottom down here. Okay, right down here on the bottom. You have 1, 2, 3 touches here, and you could possibly have it come touch here. All right, now let's take a measurement here. You have a full 5-wave run up right here. Take a fib. I don't know if I should use that wick or not. Let's see here. Measure this out. No, I shouldn't use that wick. That can trick you at times, you know what I mean? Wick or no wick. Pull it down on top here. Looks like that wick right there. Yeah, more likely. That can confuse you when you're looking for a target here. All right, that's the fib. You take the trend-based fib. I like using that better. Whoops. Check this out. All right, go from the low. We're not going to use them wicks there. To the high, to the retracement, and that gives you a pretty that's a pretty perfect target there. So you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. All right, looking for a corrective structure to come in here after them 5 waves. All right, normally ABC 5 waves down, whatever here. All right, now let's take a measurement of this. I got a really great article to show you guys here too. I think you're gonna really enjoy it, and it came out today about Caspa, some pretty big news. All right, we're not using wicks here. Let's take a measurement. I'm not using them wicks on top, I should say. All right, just too much volatility here. This is on gate. You can see here it came up to a 618. That is typical for an A, B. If we measure this down, where does that go? Right back down to this trend line. So we could have a touchdown here. This thing could come down just a hair more. A, B, C, down to the trend line here, and we'll see. Because when you go in tighter on this thing, you could have an A, B, C. It's possible that it bottomed. I'm betting on this lower run here. Okay, if it takes out 15 cents downward, it's coming down here. All right, 13.6, 13.7, somewhere in that range. All right, probably right down to this trend line. This trend line started. Usually you come back to the trend line there. All right, so I'm counting on Caspa to more than likely do that and then get a massive bounce out of here. If we look at the RSIs here, Oh boy, where are my RSIs? Let me see here. Must have messed them up when I changed everything here. There we go. Oscillators. It's number one. Let's get this volume out of there. Alright. Take this one out. Garbage. Alright, now we got, now you can see here, so let's brighten this up just a hair. And there's been a few people asking, guys, and I feel kind of stupid saying it, but I'm putting an address in the description of the video. If you want to make any kind of donation to the channel, there's a address down there that accepts all Ethereum and Polygon tokens. That's my Uniswap. So I had a couple people ask about that. If you're interested in that, be much appreciated. But please do not feel obligated. Like I said, I had a couple people ask, so I ended up putting it in there. Just gonna leave it in there, and that way, if anybody's interested, like I said, they can obviously make a donation there. So let me get these bands straightened up here. All right, just sit here. Let's see. Yeah, okay. We need to fatten that up. That one's done. We need this just so we can see them. You know what I mean? You don't want these things screwed up. That's my other band. Let's fatten that up a little bit. That'll work. Okay. This upper band, you need to bring that back down here. Sorry about that, guys. When I changed my chart here to the white, it obviously changed everything down here, so I'll have to keep an eye on that. Alright, but this is the weekly. We got that weekly RSI getting right towards the top here. Alright, you got your daily right near the bottom. So that's good news as far as a possible possible push up. You could have a little bit of a push. I wouldn't expect a whole lot here. I'm trying to get this pulled down. There we go. That's a lot better. All right, you could get a push right back up, but unless it takes out this right here, this B wave, right about 17 cents. If it takes that out, then the correction more than likely is done. Okay, but if it loses this 15 cents, look forward to come down here towards this bottom. That daily's reset. You got the 12-hour on the bottom, 8-hour. Pretty close to the bottom there, kind of rolling over. So regardless, even if this thing does push down a little bit more, all right, that's another roughly 8%. Okay, that should be the end of this correction, and we should be bouncing out of here. Now, a couple things I want to show you, plus that article. Okay, if you come over here to the total 3, this is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, so they are obviously not involved in this, but excluding Bitcoin and ETH. If you put a fib on this, we are right about, yeah, we'll call it there. All right, 618's up here. Haven't even hit the 618 on this thing yet. Now, if we don't use them wicks, you know what I mean? We've talked about wicks here. Sometimes they can confuse a chart for sure. All right, but obviously we're going to put them on there for this. No 618 yet. You can see this run up here. If you take a measurement here, check this out. I love doing this. I love digging in these charts and seeing what's going on here. All right, you got your wave 1 down here. Get down to your wave 2. Trying to get it right on that bottom, right over here. Close enough. You can see there, look at that, a full 4.236 extension right to the dot. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so what are you expecting after that? Well, an ABC pattern, right? That's what we'd be looking for here. Okay, so if we come down here and take a look at this pattern here, this is on a weekly. You can see up here in the upper band, you got a resistance area. And then down here in the lower band, you also got a resistance or support area, and it is right on it right now. Okay, This could be an ABC. More than likely is. It's probably going to lose this support. Where would it go? Let's take a measurement. Pull this down right to right about there. Okay, you can see here we got a hit on the 702. Boom, right there. We got that 702 right there. Okay, so if that is the B wave, where would the C wave end up pulling down to? Well, we pull it down off here, right down to there. Okay, right down to this level. Let's put a line on there. Right down to about $495 billion. Unbelievable. Somewhere right around this range. Right, put that on a 4 hour. Doesn't line up with much. Yeah, over here, and this is on a weekly. You got some support right over here, resistance area, right through here. And it could be up a hair. Quite honestly, anywhere through here, I would imagine. More than likely, probably something like that. 494.8, and then that would complete. And we'll leave this on here. We'll check back, obviously, on this. A B, and a C. Alright, so we'll see what happens here, but possibly a little bit more pull down in the altcoin market. And hang in there, guys. I'm telling you, man, the fun times are coming, right? No doubt about it. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick, and then we got to look at them. That article I got to show you guys. It's very, very exciting. I've been pretty pumped about it. It just came out today. Okay. So let's take a quick look at Bitcoin, see what's going on with that, because it's breaking some resistance areas here. All right, and got me kind of wondering here what's going on. So I definitely want to show you that. All right, there we go. You got Bitcoin dominance gaining a little bit of ground. Let's see what's going on with that. You got a nice big green candle there. We go out on a monthly. See that ABC in there? Just doesn't really look like it worked. I don't know if it ended up working out or not. But we're only at a 50% retracement here for Bitcoin dominance. Looking for that up at 618. Still making its way up there. Kind of losing support here. It's kind of shocking here. Yeah, we zoom in here. Yeah, if it takes out this Bitcoin dominance, if it takes out the top of this area right here, oh, look at that. That worked out perfect, that 5 wave. I had the 4 and measured out a 5, and worked out perfect. But I would suspect if it takes out this area here, then this correction's over. All right, so right up at about, what is that? Right, 56%. All right, so we're looking for this thing to rise. The daily RSI on it is trying to turn back up. You got the weekly turning up. All right, so it looks like Bitcoin dominance can make a run here. Bitcoin itself, look at this, another one. All right, so trying to figure it out, trying to break it down, and I have a target up here, and boy oh boy, look how close this thing is. Let's go on a daily. If you watched my video the other day, you seen this. I had a target down here, this green box, and look how close. Boy oh boy, this thing ended up if you're going a 4 hour, let me show you something. Earlier today when I made a video, it didn't I apologize, I had to take it down. The ending was missing on it for some reason. All right, you got Bitcoin here, ended up it was breaking out of this resistance line right through here. All right, you got this right up here, you got touches all through here, right down here, 1 2 3 4. You got multiple touches, you got a break and a possible retest here. All right, so could take off. Maybe that was good enough, down here. I was looking for about what was it, 65, 64, 64.6 roughly, and it came down to 64.9. So very possible that could be it. We'll see what happens here with Bitcoin, see if it takes off or not. The crypto bubbles. This article's coming here, guys. Thank you guys for all the new members. You guys keep this channel going, man, and I appreciate it more than you know. I got to come up with something special for you guys, especially the members. I appreciate you guys, everybody that watches the channel, but the members that pay for a membership every month. I appreciate you guys so very much, man. I could not do this without it. I'm a small YouTuber. The views just if I got it on basically on views, if I got paid every month, it'd be like $300, and for the time and effort I have in it, and my, it just wouldn't be worth it, just hanging up, so you keep it going, and then I appreciate it more than you know. All right, a level 3 membership's $14.99. Get you a bunch of trading videos to teach you how to start trading and charting. Give you a really good jump on that, and a link to our Discord membership where we're over there trading quite a bit. So if that interests you, please go sign up, and if you're interested in donating to the channel at all, there's an address in the description of the video. So appreciate all the support, guys. Even just watching this thing supports me so big time, so thank you to everybody, and I really mean that. Thanks a lot. All right, this is on the day here. This is your top 100. Look at XRP plus 4.1%. Good for it. Last hour, there we go. We're starting to get some bounces here. You got Bitcoin making a little bit of a move. Caspa trying to get that ABC completed here. All right, so that's what we want to see. We want to see this ABC get completed, get over with, and get on our way back up here. Now check this article out, guys. This is awesome. Well, this is a block explorer. If you want to take, we will show it very, very quickly. The top addresses. See if there's any major changes here. Look at that 1.7 million Caspa. $256,000. That was just happening as making a video here that's live. Alright, there we go. We got here, this is the top addresses. See what's going on. I know we lost a whale, I believe within the last 7 days, I believe 2 or 3 whales. We'll see if it loads up. If it don't, we'll just move on. So we'll take a look at it next time. Let's head to the article here. I don't want to waste any of you guys' time at all. Ripple plans to launch its own stablecoin while Kaspa tails the path. All right, check this out. This is awesome. All right, we'll go down. Good for XRP. I love Ripple. Great company. Fantastic. I support them all I can. Kaspa price maintains a month-long positive price momentum. Like Ripple, Kaspa appears to also have interest in issuing a stable coin in the near future. In a recent interview, a representative of Kaspa Network gave a hint on the possibility of having a stable coin. He attributed the need for one to the growing trend in the market and how it is essential in building trust within the crypto ecosystem. Meanwhile, Kaspa token has maintained a positive pace over the past month, gaining over 40% increase during the duration to trade within a monthly price range of 11.7 and 17.9. Aside from a minor setback earlier in the week, which is largely blamed on the broader market downturn, Kaspa is arguably one of the highest gaining altcoins right now. It sits solidly among the best crypto coins to buy. So pretty awesome. They're looking into a stable coin for Kaspa. What do you know? They are incredible. So, all right, thank you so very, very much, guys. Let's get the rest of this correction over with and get started towards the upside. That's what we want to see. So have a great day, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.